Getting list of lists into Pandas DataFrame. I am reading contents of a spreadsheet into Pandas. Datanitro has a method that returns a rectangular selection of cells as a list of lists. So, gives. I am busy writing code to translate this, but my guess is that it is such a simple use that there must be method to do this. Can't seem to find it in documentation. Any pointers to the method that would simplify this?
Call the pd.dataframe constructor directly.
With approach explained by Edsham above, the values in the list are shown as rows. To show the values of lists as columns in DataFrame instead, simply use transpose as following. The output then is
Even without pop the list we can do with set_index. Update from _records.
From the table example, call DataFrame constructor as follow.
Consulta no firme vai inside.